I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official glam star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup and I'm also going to be chit-chatting with you guys just a little bit. So if you'd like to learn a little bit more about me and also see how to get this makeup look, just continue watching. And before I get to answering these questions, I just want to say thank you all so much for 5,000 glam stars. I am so happy and I am just so shocked that over 5,000 people have found my content entertaining and helpful enough in order to subscribe to my channel. So y'all know that I can't let the love and support go unnoticed. So I just want to say thank you all so much for supporting me, and I'm so happy that you guys enjoy my content. 100K is on the way. So I'm going to start with the lighthearted questions and then work my way up to some more juicy stuff, I guess. But one of the first frequently asked questions is what made me start YouTube? And I really can't explain what made me start YouTube. I guess you could say that it was God, and also my mom really wanted me to start YouTube. She was like, you know, you have so much talent and you edit videos, you love editing videos, and you will just be great at doing YouTube. So lo and behold, I started my YouTube channel a little bit over 8 months ago, and I feel like it was just God leading me in the right direction because my channel has grown so fast within these past few months. So that's what pretty much made me start YouTube. It was God and my mama, because honey, this was meant for me, I believe, and I knew within my heart that it was time for me to start. And before I carry on, all the products used in this video will be listed down below, so if you're interested in anything that I used on my face, please check out the description box. Now the next question is, when did you start working on your body? And y'all, this is a question that is frequently asked, and I've answered this question a lot of times here on my channel, but I've been working on my body for a little bit over a year. Now I had started trying to gain weight years ago, you guys, and it was such a process for me until finally I was able to put on a few pounds. I think I started trying to gain weight when I was like at 110, and I finally worked my way up to where I'm at currently, which is 150. Okay, so it's been a long time coming, you guys, a little bit over a year with getting my body to where it is when you guys do see my before and after results. And I also posted my body transformation here from when exactly I started trying to gain weight until now. So if you guys have not seen that, then go and check it out. But it has been a little bit over a year since I really started working on my body and getting it where it is currently. Also, you all, quick side note, I know that the last chit chat get ready with me that I did, a lot of people had things to say about my eyebrows and how big they were. This is how I like my eyebrows. When I'm ready to change them, I will change them on my own. But don't be sliding down in the comments section talking about my eyebrows like I'm gonna change them just for you. Now this is another question that I've answered quite a bit of time, but for those of you all who have not seen those videos, this question reads, how do you deal with negativity being a YouTuber? And you all, I really don't deal with negativity at all. Do I get negative comments? Yes, but they don't bother me. I feel like being a YouTuber is one of those things where you really have to have thick skin because you are in the public eye, and there are a lot of people who will come through and write negative comments just because, okay? So you have to be that type of person to not really let anything bother you. And that has always been my personality. I believe that at the end of the day, the only opinion that really should matter to you is your very own of yourself, okay? And then also those positive opinions should also make you feel very good about yourself. But at the end of the day, you should love yourself enough as to where a lot of the stuff does not affect you. It does not faze you, because your self-love is just so strong. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay.
It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care. No, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine.
Now, this is actually a comment that I think is quite rude, but I do see it very often, and it's, would you ever consider Invisalign? Now, I typically do not take things very personal, so one thing that I will say for those of y'all that are asking this question is I am planning on getting braces very soon. If you have not seen that video, I'll link it up in the card. No, I have never considered getting Invisalign simply because I know that if I was to get something like Invisalign and I took them things out to eat, honey, I would not be putting them back in, as painful as I heard those things were. So I was like, I'm gonna stick with braces because once I get into those, I can't back out. But I do think that this question is quite rude. I don't know what y'all think. If somebody asked y'all this, would y'all think that this question was rude? I'm just asking for a friend, okay? Carrying on with the makeup look.
It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when every...
The next question is, are you excited for your braces journey? And yes, I believe that I mentioned that I am very excited to see the journey and the transformation of it all and just seeing how everything progresses along the way. I am not excited for any type of pain, but I've heard people say, honey, just take some ibuprofen and you'll be fine. So we're gonna see how that works. I was also thinking about getting some oral gel, so I'm gonna have to check out my local drugstore and get me some of that. Okay, yes, I did say get me some of that because I'm gonna need that, honey. I am dramatic, okay, to the fullest extent, so I will make sure that I have me some oral gel and some ibuprofen on hand. I actually go to get my spacers put in on January the 15th, so that is just a few days away, and then my braces on January the 20th, okay? So I'm excited, but I'm also looking like, should I be nervous or should I not be, honey? But anyways, everybody told me, girl, you'll be just fine. So I guess I am excited in a sense. I'm also excited to see how I will look with braces, okay?
'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Oh, this is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. You think it was all up to you. Give me some space, I don't care what you do. And give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight.
Hey y'all, I'm back. So the next question is, would you ever get cosmetic surgery? And my answer to this is no. I am happy with the way that I look and with my body and with just everything about myself. I'm not mad at God at all for the way that He has created my appearance. So my answer to that is no. You guys, I have had my own little natural enhancements from my natural treatments and working out and things like that. But other than that, I don't want to go get no silicone, put no none of that. Okay, I would be feeling very out of the ordinary. So no, that is not a plan of mine. And I just want to say thank you so much for your question, okay? Because hey, we moving right along with this Q&A and this get ready with me. Also, you guys, I started to talk during this video, but I just love to do my makeup without talking. It is very hard to do makeup while talking at the same time, like when you know that you're trying to answer questions. It's cool if you're doing it like casually, but if you have to answer questions, it's a little bit on the difficult side, okay? So I decided to go ahead and just do a voiceover. That is why when I said thank y'all for 5,000 subbies, I had already recorded this, and girlfriend didn't know she was gonna be reaching 5,000 this fast. Okay, so I ain't had no video pre-recorded. I ain't going to try to record nothing, honey. It was just like I woke up and boop, 5,000. So I just wanted to thank you guys in this video for that as well. But you guys, yes, this was pre-recorded, and I probably should have talked throughout the video, but we getting this voiceover and it's all good. The questions are still getting answered over here, okay? The next question is, can you make a video on what to eat for butt gains? And I most definitely can make a video on what I eat for butt gains. Now, I have made a video on foods that help you to get a bigger bum, so if y'all have not seen those videos, then click the videos in the cards and they are definitely listed in that particular playlist. But I will have that video coming soon for you all on what all I've been eating to keep my body intact and to keep this booty right, okay? I'd also definitely recommend that you guys check out my previous video on things to avoid if you do want a bigger butt, because that video is definitely helpful to a lot of my glam fam, okay? And it will help a lot of you guys out on things to just avoid altogether if you are looking to improve your booty, okay? Y'all, I feel like I became the booty queen, okay? And I know that that sounds very weird, but most of my platform has been built off of big booty videos, okay? And I'm very thankful for my supporters, and I'm constantly doing research on, you know, things that can help my glam fam out and on questions that you guys have. So if y'all want to know anything else about the body, about the booty, and you want me to make a video on it, honey, just leave it down below and I will try to get to it as soon as possible. Your girl is very busy nowadays, but as soon as I'm able to make a video on it, or, you know, just to get it out to you guys as soon as possible, just leave it down below, okay? The sooner you do it, the sooner I might be able to get to it. But yeah, you guys, I'm very happy with the platform that I built. I know I just went into a whole totally different topic, and I never thought that I'd be making videos on, you know, how to improve your body and how to get the body of your dreams without any type of cosmetic surgery. But you guys, it just so happened for me, you know, this is the plan that God had for me. You know, one day I just picked up shapewear and I was like, I'm gonna make a video on this, because I've always loved waist trainers and I've always been very interested in ways to improve my body. So I just picked up a waist trainer and I was like, honey, let me make a video about this. And that was one of the first videos I made. I think it was how to get bigger hips and a small waist or something like that. I'll link it up in the cards. And from that video, it's just been all about, you know, improving the body. My channel has been all about that. And I'm so happy with it because when I first came back on this platform, I did not know what I was going to make videos about. And I was like, I might as well make videos about something that I love, and that is self-care, and that is, you know, improving my body and, you know, just helping others to get their bodies to, you know, where they might want them to be. So, you guys, yes, I don't know what I was kikiing about at this point. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup, and then we can go ahead and close out this video. Okay. I know I said that I was through talking for the rest of this video until the outro, but honey, I'm back. So yes, you guys, I want to say thank you again for 5K, and if you guys have any more videos that you all would like to see from me, make sure that you leave them down below. I have a list full of videos that I have getting ready to come out for you all about improving your body, and you know, I've done a lot of research and still have a lot more to do even for the videos that I just have set to come out. So definitely leave them down below so that I can add them to my to-do list and get them out for y'all. I just wanted to reiterate that right fast. Okay, I had to say that again. And yes, you all, this is pretty much it for this makeup tutorial. I will have all of these products listed down below for you guys, so if you're interested in anything that I used in this video, definitely check out the description box. Also, if you're interested in asking me any more questions for an upcoming Q&A here on my channel, make sure that you leave those questions down below as well, because I know that a lot of people probably be like, she didn't answer my question. Make sure that you leave it under my Q&A video. That way I can see it and get to it, okay? And before I leave this video, I'm not going to leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my glam star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for joining the Glam fam. And if you're looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on, because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.